Looking for your first CRM but don't want to spend weeks learning to use overly complicated, confusing software? Then this might be exactly what you're looking for. CRM is a customer relationship management tool that organizes all of your complicated and plentiful customer and partnership data and organizes it and creates different systems that help you to utilize that information in a more functional, efficient way. Many businesses know that they need a CRM but put it off because these tools can often be overly complicated and confusing to learn. Many CRMs offer a multitude of different features, and because they offer so many features, these can be incredibly confusing, complicated, and frustrating to learn. This can lead you feeling frustrated and never actually start the process of learning how to use and implement a CRM. But founders, startups, VIPs, entrepreneurs, and modern teams need to utilize a CRM in order to keep track of all of their relationship data. If you have been suffering through managing contacts and relationships over spreadsheets in multiple different tools that manage these things inefficiently, or even worse, going off of your own notes or memory alone, then you are not alone. The best CRM for you is going to be one that you can actually get started with and use consistently. Today I'm going to be showing you Folk CRM, a CRM tool intended for entrepreneurs, small businesses, founders, startups, and modern teams to organize your relationship data. I'm going to walk you through some of the key features and show you why Folk CRM is the best tool for businesses and entrepreneurs and teams that have never used a CRM before. Today's video is sponsored by Folk. Folk is your team's relationship brain. It captures interactions across channels and turns them into a shared memory for every relationship. With relationship insights available to your team and its AI agents, you can prioritize opportunities, automate processes, and take the right actions at the right time. Folk CRM supports over 4,000 companies across their entire sales funnel, helping teams to collaborate better, build stronger relationships, and close more deals. Folk CRM is designed to be easy to use, quick to get started with, and easy to customize based on the way that you already work to take in and manage your relationships with your contacts. Click the link down below and try Folk CRM with a free trial for 14 days. Now, Folk offers two ways to access your dashboard. You can either utilize a desktop application or you can install it on your mobile device using their mobile app. The mobile app allows you to take Folk CRM with you wherever you may be and utilize the features on the go. Now, what really stands out for me with Folk CRM is that it offers a streamlined and simpler approach that is fast and easy to set up and quick to understand for businesses that may be intimidated by using a CRM tool with a large number of confusing features. For those of you that have never utilized a CRM before, this is a fantastic tool to get started with because it is going to offer you a high-powered tool to get yourself organized, manage your team and your relationships, and really improve your efficiency within managing your contacts and relationships. Let's dive into the features. First, the most obvious feature in a CRM, contact management. Import contacts from multiple sources. Organize people with tags, notes, and custom groups. Keep relationship history all in one place, and easily find the information that you need when you need it. You can even send email sequences with multiple steps and time conditions. Next are AI tools that save you time. One of my favorite tools in Folk CRM is that it allows you to automatically enrich your contacts. Select the contact or contacts that you would like to enrich, and the AI tool will automatically search for available information on that contact and import it and add it to your CRM. Folk also offers an AI feature which suggests follow-ups and next steps. The follow-up assistant automatically detects if a conversation has gone inactive. The follow-up assistant will then suggest when it's time and provide you with a suggested follow-up. Next, Folk integrates seamlessly with other applications that you may be utilizing to manage relationships. Install the Folk plugin on your browser and you will be able to automatically add contacts from places like LinkedIn, Instagram, and a variety of other applications that you are already using. Share contacts and relationships relationships with your team. All of your teammates can add in details, meeting notes, and other important data that allows you to reduce duplicating work that has already been done. Next, focus flexible enough to grow with your business. Create pipelines for things such as sales, relationships, partnerships, deals, and track progress throughout the course of your relationship with a particular person, customer, client, or partner. Customize the views on your dashboard to match your workflow, including things such as reports, and follow up on what step in the process each contact is at within their journey with you. Ability within Folks features allow you to adapt those features to grow along with your business instead of switching to a different CRM. Now, if you are a business who is looking for every tool imaginable in a CRM, those really higher level features that are going to require quite a great deal of time in order to set up and implement, this is not the tool for you. Folks CRM offers a simplified, streamlined tool that is easy to set up, implement, and utilize into your everyday workflow with your customers, contacts, clients, and teams. Keep your business relationships and partnerships connected on the go and bring Folk with you wherever you need to be. Click the link down below and try Folk for free for 14 days.